Wish me luck. Okay. Glue. I think I know the glue there.
Outer space, listening to all the grooves by the human race. Dancing shoes hit the floor, never leave a trace. Come along, join the dance, get up in his face. He feels the groove, dig the vibe. He feels the groove, dig the vibe. It's that feeling that you
green here. So green here. And get the other greens here. What's up? I'm recording, but it's fine. What's up? How can I help you? What you want to show me? Okay. Oh, you want me to put this on your laptop? Okay, continuing the page. It's quite tricky. I need to find some research on how this is done properly. Elevator. Shine some light and I don't need meditate. Wait, let's meditate. No more renegade. Let's just levitate. My way, your way, same road, highway, strength like Chevrolet. Sun on my face with an ice lemonade. American. So I need all the green to stay. This is the hardest thing I ever had to do while on Earth. So. I totally am not good at this. I'm messing up everything. Okay, so the green is up there. So if I can get few colors together. But we don't have any green. Oh, we get all this green here. Okay. How can we get this green? There's this side. Oh my god. It's gonna be a disaster. 0 to 100, yeah. Can you keep up with the bar? Cause I left you there. Since I saw you from afar, yeah. Take you dance with me, take you to front with your friend, just dance with me. Take you dance with me, cause I saw I left you there. See the way you were dancing to me, dancing to me. Seem to feel like I don't find no way, don't find no way. See the way you were dancing to me, dancing to me. Start to feel like I don't find no way, don't find no way.
Alright, so I'm going to do an orange. Should I come as well? Okay. Got these about 4 colors there. I managed to get those 2 colors up. Okay, so how do we get more of these colors here? I definitely need some super intelligent person to help me with this. Okay. Nah. I thought it was gonna be this stressful. Okay, that's just okay. I can do this here. Let me get rid of this, so to put this over here. Maybe some of these need to come back. Okay. We need this at the top. We already got these 4 colors. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? Certain rules do not apply to this. Okay. As you can see, I'm still struggling. Okay, I'll give it one more go. I need somebody to help me. Show me how this is done the right way. No? The right way. Try the works. I'll try and watch a tutorial on how they do this. See if that will help me. Someone did a video on how to make a Rubik's Cube. Okay. Rubik's Cube. Okay. How to solve a Rubik's Cube easiest way. Okay, let's see if this guy can help.
My name is Cubastic, and today I will teach you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
Okay, let's go. Still stuck. You definitely need a great IQ for this.
And absolutely everyone can learn it. I can guarantee that after watching all 4 parts of this tutorial, you will easily solve a Rubik's
4
Cube.
parts.
No matter how scrambled it is. And if you already know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, this method still will be really useful because with it, you'll be able to teach your friends, your parents, your siblings.
I need a quicker one.
So if you've never solved a cube before, it may seem impossibly hard. But today I'll be teaching you a method that I use to teach many people who do not believe they'd ever be able to solve the cube. And if anything along the way becomes unclear and you need more examples, then you can check the example solve, which I have a link to in the description. With that being said, it's time for you to solve your first cube. So the first thing you do is find the white centerpiece and hold that on top. Next, what you do is solve the white cross, but we also need the colors on the side to line up. So here's how you do it. Find a white piece on the bottom layer, like this one, but not this one. This one is a corner piece that has 3 colors on it. We want these ones, these edge ones in the middle. So we're going to take this one, make sure you have the white on top, take this piece from the bottom, and just move it along the bottom until you find that it's underneath the correct colored center. So this one's white and green, and this one is a green center. So then what you do once it's there is just move it up to the top by turning the green face 180 degrees. So basically just do that until you solve it.
Wait. Go back. Okay, so we want this at the top. Anyway. Okay, so go back.
From the bottom, and just move it along the bottom until you find that it's underneath the correct colored center. So this one's white and green, and this one is a green center. So then what you do once it's there is just move it up to the top by turning the green face 180 degrees. So basically just do that until you solve.
Oh, you can turn. Okay. Go back, sorry.
Move it along the bottom until you find that it's underneath the correct colored center. So this one's white and green, and this one is a green center. So then what you do once it's there is just move it up to the top by turning the green face 180 degrees. So basically just do that until you solve the entire white cross and these colors on the side also line up. But I'm going to show you what might happen that will be a bit tricky. So here I have found a white and orange piece, so I will move it down along the bottom until it's under the orange center, and then turn it 180 degrees until it's on the top. But these colors should be switched. So what you do in this case is move this over to the side here like this, and then turn the top counterclockwise, move this up here, and then put everything back. And lastly, what could happen is your
Go. Okay. Okay, so the white. I'm gonna get this. Okay, maybe there. It's super confusing in some way. Oh, this can turn like this as well, so I have an advantage. So, man. Alright, so it's the center. Got a green in the center. Oh, sorted. Now, how do we get this green over here? copy the rest of the. Okay. Yeah, the green. Oh, nice. Huh? Hopefully. Just not knowing what goes where. Maybe I can't do this. Okay. Some things that you cannot do. Green, look where I am. How crazy is that? That I'm. So now, how do we get this one here? See, I've got all the greens. Let me see. I mean, I may have all the greens, but it doesn't mean that all the other stuff are lining up to the right way. And yeah, we can just do that. Okay. So the top. So the greens are here.
Traveling through galaxies, can we reconcile on earth?
Okay.
Was blinded by power and rage, separated since birth, left alone.
So I'm stuck here. I want any genius human out there to help me solve this via a chart on Zoom. So just let me know. I'm learning how to do certain things the humans do while on Earth. So yeah, teach me how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube, is that how they call it? Yes. I've been trying for the last maybe 15-20 minutes, but I cannot get the other greens to come here and the other green to come here. I just saw another video on YouTube that shows how to do it, but obviously starting with the white. But I even tried to start with the whites on top, but trying to get the whites to be at the same place at the same time, my god, it's a nightmare. So many things to learn, right? Okay, so maybe can I spin this? If I spin that, won't affect the other one. Okay. No. Okay, we got the white there. Okay. Give it one more go. Absolutely enough patience if you want to do this. Okay, I've got the white in the corners, but these are not colors. God. Alright, so I've got this color here. Wait. Alright. Bring that back. Where's the other whites? We got the other whites here. Definitely managed to get one. How'd you get these colors? There's the colors in there. Oh my god, it's just okay. Need help. Some things I've not learned how to do. Let me big here. How can I solve the Rubik's Cube? Okay, so I leave that here. It says this can turn around. But this this is not going the right direction, so we want the whites to be here and here. Right, so guys, the farthest I can go is all the greens with about 5 colors, and I can't figure out how to get all the whites here. So I would happily have a chat with somebody who's a pro out there who can help me fix this. Thank you. These are some of the things I'm trying to teach myself that I've actually never tried. Thank you.